On January 5, 2025, Arkansas State Trooper Ruben Zamora joined a high-speed chase in Cleveland County after Donovan Wright fled from Pine Bluff police. Wright was behind the wheel of a white Dodge Challenger, reaching speeds over 135 miles per hour on U.S. Highway 63.
I'm coming south on Highway 63. The horse is at Wells Road. It's going to be a white Challenger, 10 tags. I'm going to start to slow down just in case. Switch to 𝗙𝗶𝗿 radio. We just have Stevenson Road, still northbound 63. 130 trucks, speed, approaching Robert, Riders Lane. Still northbound 63, Alley Lane. I'm coming down. I'm just going to slow down just in case. Switch 6, be off the radio. We just had Stevenson Road, still northbound 63. 130 plus speeds, approaching Robert, Riders Lane.
They're going to be coming here just a second.
Still northbound 63, past Alley Lane.
17 Pine Bluff. I got spikes set up. 63 here at the 𝗙𝗏 dollar store.
South. Northbound, approaching Highway 114.
They're coming. Get behind hard cover.
Gotcha. I'm gonna get behind here.
233, you got spikes there. Yep. The deputies go ahead and just, they're on their dispatch. Spikes are hit, Get in the northbound lane. Alright, still moving here, northbound, direction Spring Road. Pine Bluff for 10:15.
10:15 at 8:28.
Get on your knees. Go down to your knee. Bring your knee up. Bring your knee up. There you go. Bring your knee up. There you go. All right. All right, come on. That's what
He's well Pine Bluff, you can unmatch.
I don't know if he got the spikes. He hit them.
Here's his money. $3. All right. Hey,
I don't know if he hit them. He hit them. But I don't think it popped his tires.
No, he didn't hit him.
He hit them, unless I put him upside down.
This one looks like this one's flat, bro. Oh, yeah, you got this one's flat. Yeah. Yeah. You did a good one.
Yeah. Oh, I see him, yeah.
That two's 1019 also.
10-4. This 28 on this car is 𝗙𝗶𝗿 𝗨𝘀𝗶𝗰𝗲 197-620.